See, we have festival time, 2021, Ogdensburg, New York. Here's all the lines for the vendors. Like this afternoon when I showed you. Right there is where my ex-girlfriend is sitting. She's trouble, watch out. Nice band down there. .45, fireworks are gonna go off. A lot of cops down there. Cop car. Kids in them sparkler things. Donut eaters. I don't know why 3 cops think they gotta walk together. Spread out. Look like they're just socializing. Just to give them tips with something where the trouble is. Seagulls coming to get their junk. What's the matter, Dutch? The boom boom's coming soon? Yeah, but it's people just getting here too. It's sad the Canadians can't come over here this year. They're coming over the bridge. That red truck line's getting bigger. Yeah, more and more people are showing up. A lot of them are probably eating at home. They don't want to pay that price. Dutch, why are you still pacing? And then trees where that stupid mayor put his things in. Used to be the skateboard park. Until later. Always this thing be stupid at the end.